Hey,
A present
from who?
from Grandma
And?
in Canada.
And Farfar?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to open it?
Yeah.
What is it? It's a card first.
Really? This is the present for your birthday. So much.
Oh, good. You can read. What's that? Is that for taking a bath?
My chocolate too.
Ooh, chocolate for you. Lucky. What's that?
What's that?
It's a nightlight.
There's a story too
A book.
about it.
Want me to read that later? Cool. Another book? Look.
Two.
I think this bunny goes with it.
Yeah.
What do you say, Lil? Look,
Thank you.
look at the camera and say it.
Thank you, Grandma and Sasha.
Alright, bye-bye.
Goodbye.